Before, after, before, after. Look at the difference here. How ambient light changes the complete scenario of the painting, okay? This is the power of ambient light. You might have known how ambient light works. Well, let me tell you about it. In simple language, ambient light is a reflective light which comes from the sky and hangs around the world. That's why you see a hint of blue or violet or purplish color on the surface of the skin. It happens due to the ambient light. So, next time you see a colorful shadow, you will know it is just the ambient light which playing tricks on your eyes, okay? For the better understanding, let me give you an example here. Instead of leaving the shadows flat colored, okay, you can use a cooler color to show the presence of the sky. And how you can do it? Here, let me pick a nice grayish bluish color. For that, we can slide the pointer towards a gray color and move the hue bar towards the bluish family. And here you don't need to take too much saturated blue or desaturated blue. You just keep in this region, okay? So put this color by turning on the pressure opacity on the shadow side of the face, and just like that. And now take a look at the painting. This looks amazing, right? Look at the before and after. Before and after. This is the difference between the ambient light and without the ambient light, okay? Make sure whenever you make painting, always use ambient light, okay? And the ambient light could be change its color according to the environment, okay? When it depends on the subject where it stands or situated. If the subject is standing or situated in outside of the ground on the open field, you often see a purplish or bluish ambient light, okay? On the shadow part of the subject, on the face of the subject, okay? That depends on the environment. That's why you see a slight tint on the surface of the face, on the skin. So next time, don't leave the painting alone without painting the ambient light on it. And look how it come into life after putting the ambient light. Now it makes sense. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap this video here. If you guys learned something from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till the time, we will meet in the next video.